got this package from Amazon, but actually I ordered this in Amazon, so my background is off. So here's the package. I ordered it yesterday and it is 1-day delivery. So here, and we need to open it, this one. So let's see what's inside with this. I know what's inside, but I'll let you guess what's inside. So let's see. I was thinking it was a big things or stuff that I ordered, but I was shocked when I found out that it's too small. That means, because I never know the size, never read the size of this. I just order. The picture looks big, and now it's seems too small. So what can I do? It's here already. So yes, ding ding ding. What's inside? What's this? Ding ding ding. This is the order. Delivery from McDonald's. No, it's not. Not the sponsored there. It's just only just a sort of like from the McDonald's or from any like that Jollibee or like that, but we usually get in the shop. So actually, how many items are here? So here first we got this one, the container for popcorn and the fries or the chips, and this is also another one. That's for the popcorn, so it goes here. That goes to popcorn. And we have here for the drinks, the Coke. It's not shown properly. The Coke, or any drinks, or the sundae. And this is for the hot dog or whatsoever. And this is for the sandwich kind. So you can pull it out. Now I need to ruin this one. You can pull you can pull out this one. It's not shown properly, yeah. It's not open yet. You need to pull out this here. These are the sliced bread. Then you can put this. And my background is off. And the cheese. And this green, or the lettuce, or any green thing. I don't know exactly. So we need to close. This is for your sandwich. And this is for the fries or the chips. We call it here chips. And we got here another one. It's like pizza thing. Well, not really pizza. It's it's still a sandwich cut up in the triangle. And this is the burger. If you know the burger, you have to pull out this one. It's still hard. I was thinking I ordered the big one. It's small. It's alright, still okay. See, here, the cheese, almost the same as the other one. Right? And that. Yeah, that's the burger. Small burger. Small. Look, small, tiny, mini. They call it mini. And here's the waffles. This is waffles. Yes. And here comes your order, sir. Madam. Sir, madam. It's your order. You want some? Okay. So we got the chips or the fries the popcorn, the milkshake, or any shake or drinks we put there, and for the hot dog style, and the sandwich, the burger, the what you call that? Still a sandwich, but it's in triangular, and this is the waffles. So, whose order is this? Who wants to eat? So, actually, I got this in Amazon, and I was thinking it was a big stuff or toys for this, but unfortunately it was too small, but it's still okay. This is good for you for your shorts video when you're feeding your granny or your grandpa or whoever it is. So this is good for the video. And by the way, and also I ordered this in Amazon for I only ordered this for like 6 pounds. 6 pounds is around 300 plus. So if you want this kind of toys, so you can order it Amazon. There's lots of choices there. Then I never thought it was too small, or we call it miniature style. So here I come. This is for my next live. I'm using this for my next live, right? So thank you for watching, and by the way, this is only 1-day delivery. I just ordered yesterday. So thank you for watching, and shoutout pala sa mga friends ko dyan, sa mga friends and supporters and members, lalo na kay Hannah, Jane, Ling, Kuya Hiko, Ate Fasoy, Sis Fasoy, at Sis A, Sis Louie, Mama Minda, Buholana, Pilmil, at saka sa kanya, Babes, si Babes Aliman, shout out. At sa iba dyan, sa mga gold member ko, si Princess at Kusina, si Rosita at saka Rod Gamer, si Magstay, shout out din sa iyo. And thank you for supporting my channel. I'll see you then with my next video. Bye!